Alright, I have this 2015 Jeep Cherokee that has issues with a no start condition. I know it's not the battery, I just changed the battery a couple months ago. It doesn't even want to attempt to even turn on or crank or even hear the starter. So I'll let you, I'll videotape and see what it does. That's the ACC side. Okay, so I turned it on. I'm about to try to start the car now. And that's it. Doesn't want to do nothing else. And sometimes the headlights and the interior lights go crazy when this happens. And the car's not running. And it just goes that. Sometimes the headlights go crazy. It's just like a strobe light. You see it? It's like possessed right now. Not understanding what's wrong with this car. If anyone's ever experienced any of this, please help me out. Thanks.